Designing your program. Balancing strength and muscle growth. Having a well-designed strength training program is crucial for achieving both strength and muscle growth goals in bodybuilding objectives. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to design a program that targets both goals. Understanding strength and hypertrophy. Strength focuses on increasing the amount of weight you can lift. Hypertrophy aims to increase muscle size through volume and muscle fatigue. In this video, we'll go over the fundamentals of program design, including as periodization, exercise selection, and progression tactics to help you develop a well-rounded routine that maximizes your results. 1. Periodization refers to the systematic design of a training program over a set period. It entails breaking up your training into several phases, each with a distinctive objective. A popular method for bodybuilders is to rotate between phases emphasizing strength and hypertrophy. Strength phase. Concentrate on complex exercises with heavy weights and short repetitions, 15 reps. This will help you establish a solid foundation and increase your overall strength. Hypertrophy phase. In this phase, focus on moderate weights and high repetitions, 8 to 12 reps. This rep range works well for boosting muscle growth and improving muscular size. 2. Exercise selection. Choosing the right exercises is crucial for targeting both strength and hypertrophy. Compound exercises include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises work numerous muscular groups at once, encouraging strength and muscle growth. Include isolated workouts to target specific muscle areas and improve any weaknesses. Examples include bicep curls, triceps extensions, and leg extensions. Variety. To avoid plateaus and keep your muscles engaged, change up your activities on a regular basis. This can include altering the grip, stance, or angle of an exercise. 3. Progression strategies. To increase strength and muscle size, gradually strain your muscles. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Increase the weight by 25% after you can easily do the appropriate number of reps. Double progression. Begin with a weight that you can lift at the lower end of your rep range, 8 reps. Once you can complete the upper end of the rep range, example 12 reps, raise the weight and begin again at the lower end. Deload weeks. Schedule deload week every 4 to 8 weeks to allow your body to recover and avoid overtraining. During a deload week, minimize the number and intensity of your workouts. 4. Training split. Maximize your recovery and achieve optimal results by effectively structuring your exercise routine. Full body workouts should be performed 2 to 3 times a week, with each session focusing on all major muscle groups. Upper-lower split. Divide your workouts into upper and lower body sessions, with each group trained twice each week. Push-pull legs split. Divide your workouts into push, chest, shoulders, triceps, and pull, back, biceps. And leg sessions, cycling between them throughout the course of the week. Remember, consistency and patience are essential. Stick to your program, practice appropriate form and technique, and give your body enough fuel and relaxation. 6. Optimizing your nutrition is key to facilitating effective recovery. Supporting strength and hypertrophy. Ensure a balanced diet with adequate protein to support muscle growth and repair. Prioritize rest and recovery. This is when your muscles repair and grow. Monitor fatigue and adjust your program as needed to avoid overtraining. Track your progress, make changes as needed, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. By adhering to these rules and creating a well-balanced strength training program, You'll be on your way to attaining your bodybuilding objectives while maximizing both strength and muscle growth. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons.